Hey everyone, get ready for a fun story about Charlie Chaplin, the king of comedy. Sit down, relax, and listen. This is a happy, crazy tale about a little boy who became a big star. You won't want to stop listening. Charlie Chaplin was born on April 16, 1889, in London, England. His mom, Hannah, and his dad, Charles Sr., were singers and dancers in music halls. They worked on stage and people loved them. But soon, life got hard for Charlie. His parents didn't stay together. His dad liked drinking too much and didn't take care of Charlie or his brother, Sidney. Then his mom got sick. She couldn't sing anymore, and her mind wasn't well. Sometimes, she had to go to a hospital. Little Charlie and Sidney had no money. They lived in poor places and moved a lot. It was tough, but Charlie didn't give up. He stayed happy and strong. When Charlie was only 5, something funny happened. His mom was singing on stage, but her voice stopped working. The crowd didn't like it. They shouted at her, so the stage man pushed Charlie out to sing instead. He was so small, but he smiled big and sang a silly song. People laughed and threw coins to him. Charlie stopped singing and said, "Wait, I need to pick up my money." The crowd laughed more. He loved it. After that, he knew he wanted to be on stage. Soon, he joined a dance group called the 8 Lancashire Lads. He danced with them and had fun. Later, when he was a teenager, he worked with his brother Sidney. They made people laugh in shows together. Charlie was good at being funny. In 1913, Charlie went to America. He was excited. He started working at Keystone Studios in Hollywood. One day, he put on big pants, a small coat, old shoes, and a little hat. He added a funny mustache and took a cane. He walked in a silly way. This was the Little Tramp. People loved this character in his movies. The movies had no talking because they were silent, but Charlie made everyone laugh with his face and moves. He made films like The Kid and The Gold Rush. People shouted his name when they saw him on screen. Charlie didn't just act. He wrote the stories and made the music too. At home, his life was busy. He married 4 times and had many children. Sometimes, people talked about his marriages, but he kept working hard. Later, things got tricky. In the 1950s, some people in America didn't like Charlie. They said he was strange and told him to leave. So, Charlie took his family, his wife Una and their 8 kids, and moved to Switzerland. He didn't stop there. He made more movies, like A King in New York. Years later, in 1972, America said, "Sorry." They gave him a big award, and everyone clapped for a long time. In 1975, Queen Elizabeth called him Sir Charlie. He was so happy. But on Christmas Day, 1977, Charlie died in Switzerland. He was 88 years old. Even after he died, something wild happened. Thieves took his coffin. The police found it later, and now he rests quietly. Charlie's life was amazing. He started as a poor boy and became a big star. His little tramp made the world smile, even when life was hard. Did you like this story? Please subscribe. I'll tell you more fun stories soon. Don't miss them.